There are over 500 known species of sharks, varying in size, body shape, behavior, and habitat. Some are small and harmless, while others are large and predatory. Sharks require constant movement to ensure a flow of water over their gills to obtain sufficient oxygen. Some species are even capable of forward movement while they sleep. Sharks possess highly developed senses, including keen senses of smell, vision, hearing, taste, and electroreception, aiding them in hunting prey even in low visibility conditions. Some shark species have long lifespans. For instance, blue sharks can live up to 20 years, while the lifespan of a great white shark can extend to 70 years or more. Unwarranted fear. Many shark species pose no threat to humans and actively avoid contact. Despite this, sharks often face misunderstanding and fear from people due to their portrayal in movies and media.